Hi there, welcome to our channel. I'm going to show you how to make no-soak cloth wipes and how to store them. This is really simple, guys. All I will be doing is to cut fleece fabric with a pinking shear, and that's it. To save you some time though, fold your fabric like this before cutting. This is one of my changing stations. I bet you can relate. This blue storage basket is where I store my extra wipes. Just in case you were wondering, it is very safe to keep the cloth wipes and the wipes warmer. I put enough to last me throughout the day, and I use water only for my wipe solution. Thank you so much for watching. You can go ahead and check the description box. I will leave the link there for my homemade cloth diaper safe diaper cream. If you found this video useful, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.